Looking for vintage steel that won't break the bank? We've got 7 classic car and truck projects priced to move. Some run, some need love, but all bring serious character. Let's jump in. 1. 1964 Chevrolet Bel Air, $5,500, Bath, New York. This 1964 Chevrolet Bel Air is a true daily driver, and it looks the part. With just 43,000 miles on the odometer, this two-owner sedan still starts, stops, and drives like it should. It's dressed in a glossy blue exterior with a gray interior, and the automatic transmission makes it a breeze to cruise. The seller says it turns heads everywhere it goes, and while it may not be showroom perfect, it's ready to roll today. No major issues reported, and the clean title is in hand. Price is firm at $5,500, but if you've got a smaller SUV to trade, the seller's willing to listen. Just don't ask if it's still available. Cash talks. 2. 1966 Chevrolet Corvair, $6,500, Austin, Texas. Next up is a rare rear-engine classic, a 1966 Chevrolet Corvair with manual transmission. This one's been in the same family since 1970 and stayed garaged or stored all those years. It runs and drives with surprisingly little rust for its age. The exterior is blue with a matching blue interior, but there is visible body damage from a minor post-impact on front driver's side and some rear corner damage. Still, it's a solid car with a clean Texas title. The seller has over 100 detailed photos and videos available. Just ask. Serious local offers are preferred. Tar 3. 1979 Chevrolet 1500 Extended Cab Long Bed, $3,200, Shawano, Wisconsin. For the truck fans, here's a 1979 Chevy Scottsdale pickup with an extended cab and long bed. It's got a rebuilt 307 cubic inch V8 under the hood paired with an automatic transmission. The rebuild was done a few years back, and although it sat for a while, it starts up and runs strong. It's got fresh brakes all around, new shoes, calipers, rotors, and lines. The frame does have some crust and a chunk missing, but it's still being driven. Reverse takes a second to engage, and it needs exhaust work and shocks. Floors are fair, no Flintstones feet required, asking $3,200 or best offer. Trades for motorized toys considered. 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, $6,800, Wellington, Alabama. Here's a sharp-looking 1976 Corvette Stingray finished in red with a gray interior. Under the hood is a 350 cubic inch small block, and it's been treated to a brand new Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, a new alternator, and front brake calipers. It runs and drives well and has a clean title. This is a strong entry point for anyone looking to get into the Corvette scene without paying collector prices. The seller's asking $1,600 or best offer and is not interested in trades. Top 5. 1977 Ford F100 Ranger Short Bed, $4,500, Jefferson, Georgia. This 1977 Ford F100 short bed pickup is a great little truck to tinker with and cruise. Powered by a 302 cubic inch V8 and paired with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives reliably. The body is overall solid, and it even has a working spotlight, a fun feature you don't see often. New starter installed recently, and the power disc brakes help keep things safe. It's located in downtown Jefferson, Georgia, and is listed at $4,500 or best cash offer. No trades mentioned. N6 1977 Ford F-250 4x4 with dump bed, $4,500, Tracy City, Tennessee. Here's something a little more utilitarian. A 1977 Ford F-250 4x4 equipped with a dump bed. It runs and drives, has very little rust for its age, and still carries a clean title. The interior and exterior are both red, and it's paired with a manual transmission. The brakes are a bit weak, and there's a lifter tick in the motor, but overall it's ready to work. Asking price is $4,500 or best offer, and the seller is open to trade offers, particularly for dump trucks. 1962 Buick Electra 225 four-door hardtop, $1,500, Williston, Florida. And finally, a big body cruiser from the early 60s. This 1962 Buick Electra 225 four-door hardtop features the legendary 401 Nailhead V8, though it's currently not running and its mechanical condition is unknown. It's a factory air car with power windows, and it still has its original burgundy paint paired with a red interior. It's been off the road for some time and will definitely need a full restoration, but the bones are here. A rare find for just $1,500 with title in hand. Hand. Whether you're looking for a low-rider project, a forgotten family heirloom, or a vintage work truck with life left in it, these classic rides are packed with personality and priced to move. Which one would you take home? Drop your pick in the comments. And don't forget, more vintage steel is on the way. Subscribe to Kingna for more classic cars for sale by owner. Catch you in the next one.